This is how we turn on the machine. It's from the off position to the on. This set of buttons right here is going to control a vertical spindle. This is spindle reverse. Stop. Spindle forward. Stop. This set of buttons right here is going to be for our horizontal spindle. Spindle reverse. Stop. Spindle forward. Stop. When this button is actuated, it enables the table to move to the left, the knee to move down, and the saddle to move towards the machine. To stop it, this button will enable the table to move to the right, the knee to move up, and the saddle to move towards you. Stop. This will control the speed of the servo. Once we have a servo on, control the speed, rapid, slow, millimeters per minute. This button right here is the rapid. We also have our coolant, on, off, and our emergency stop. When this button is activated, it allows the table to move to the left by engaging this lever here. We control it with our servo speed. It's engaging. We could also move the knee down. Also, the saddle in towards the machine. Stop. With this one on, we can move the table to the right. Again, we control the speed. We could also move the knee up and also the table out. It's our rapid button, coolant off, on, and emergency stop. While the machine is in high gear, turn on the table, engage it. That is the fastest the table's going to move in high gear. Stop. In low gear, engaging the table. That is the fastest it's going to move on low gear. The machine is set at 45 RPM. It's on the blue range, top side, number 1. Lever's already on the top side, number 1 in the blue range. It's 45 RPM. Stop it, and we're going to switch it to 700 RPM. So on the bottom side, red, number 1. Switch this lever to the bottom side, number 1, and red. $700 RPM. We also have 125 all the way to 1960. For 1960, we'd be on the bottom range, number 2, and the red. We only have to change this lever to the number 2 side. That would be 1900 RPM. Right now the horizontal mill is set up 67 RPM. The lever's all the way to the top, and this one's all the way to the bottom. Read this. We're at 67 RPM. Turn it on. Turn it off. We're going to switch to 192 RPM to bring the lever all the way to the top. And this one all the way to the bottom. Speed is on. Off. We can can go from 48 RPM to 2100 RPM. In order to move the ram in or out, we need to release the locks. One full turn will release them. Now we can go around the machine, move the ram with this lever, go out, in. Once we have it in position, go back around and lock it in place. Back one full turn, now it's locked in place.